Hello, this is Sung Park with another weekly update for AddPicto. So I'm just going to share my screen. All right, so the updates that I have for this week is just that we're going to be launching icons tomorrow. So what does that look like? So I'm just going to launch the add-on that we're currently working on. Okay. All right, so obviously these shapes are limited, mainly because this is still in the test environment. But the key thing is that you could select a shape. You could, do a search. You could select the image, and then you could say insert. And so this works exactly as it currently does, like so. And then we also added the functionality of loading images from your desktop, and then it gets stored into your Google Drive so that it's remembered. So then now I could select a saved image from my Google Drive, insert, and then that will then insert a picto using images that you've uploaded. Now, the next thing that we're going to be releasing tomorrow is icons. So now I could search for an icon like, oh, I don't know, food, and find, let's say, this one, the cake. I could change the color of that cake to white, or yeah, white looks good. I could even flip it. I could rotate it, flip horizontal, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I could then insert that picto. There you go. So now you have 3 different ways of creating, unique graphics. One is using the search from Unsplash for an image. Another is to upload your own image. And now the third option is to actually select a icon. And these icons are currently from the Google icon set. And we're hoping to add more as time passes so that you'll have more options for icons. And so again, you could do stuff like this. Actually, let's choose this one. Great. We want to change the color of the icon to match. Actually, let's make that different. So you can change the color of the mask shape. And yeah, that looks pretty good. And then you can insert that. Like so. So now you could tell more interesting stories using these shapes, as well as icons, images from Unsplash, or images from your desktop that you could upload into your Google Drive. And that is our update. So yeah, expect to see this functionality for icons tomorrow. All right, have a great week. Thank you.